Okay, folks, let's start tidying up. We're at 11:39. You guys got 5 minutes.